After Durga Puja, Christmas feels like the next season of joy. There's something magical about this time. Everyone's mood is so cheerful. The city is wrapped under twinkling lights and Xmas trees, and suddenly everything feels so surreal. Since I started earning, it's become my little tradition to set up a Christmas tree, decorate it with tiny ornaments, hang a sock, and just make a cheery mood for myself and for my family. My parents still sneak in a gift every year and leave it in the sock, pretending it's from Santa. I usually start decorating on Christmas Eve. It's like a soft reset after a long hectic week. I prep my bed for some quiet reading and just enjoy the stillness. That's how I spent my Christmas Eve.
Good morning, you guys. Merry Christmas. I hope this season brings you joy, happiness, and everything you wished for. All the good things, not the bad things. Let's start this morning with the cake, because what's a Christmas without a cake, right?
I feel Christmas isn't just about Santa and decorating your room, it's also about resetting the mood. It's a little self-care day I give to myself every year. After a slice of cake, I started my pamper routine with hair oiling and also tried the minimalist bond repair serum for the first time, and let's see how it works. Most Christmases or New Year's, I make it a point to visit the salon just to unwind, and this year is no different. So while the oil settled in, I had my breakfast, chatu, a quick protein shake, and then headed off for a relaxing head wash. Small rituals, but they make me feel so good and uplift my mood as well. After a relaxing head wash, I came back home and threw on a quick Christmassy outfit. I had plans to step out. There's this place called Park Street. It's known for its festive lights, music, classic Christmas crowd. But we didn't go there. We headed somewhere quieter. It still had lights, food spots, and cozy vibe, but way less chaotic. We reached a bit too early, but honestly, it was worth it. We took a walk, grabbed some snacks here and there, and just soaked in the evening. I enjoy drinking coffees, especially in winter and especially in Christmas. So we visited this cafe nearby, which is German Cafe and Bistro. They had variety of foods and teas, juices, coffees as well. So we had this cafe latte. And look at the decor, it's so cute. And look at my jewelry, this is so cute, right? The earrings and the bracelet, these are all from the Daydreamer, my sister's handmade jewelry brand. You can definitely check out. I'll leave the link in the description box. So I had this cup of coffee, which was a giant cup they had given me, but it tasted really good. Who doesn't love going to Mela or fair? Me too, guys. So there was a art fair happening nearby. We visited there. Look at the candles, they are so good. So I bought two, one for me and one for my sister. I'll show you mine later in the video. We were so engrossed into the art fair, we didn't realize it was dark. So we booked a cab and headed towards the next spot, which was Sri Bhumi. It was also decorated with twinkling lights. There was Santa Claus. Everybody was clicking pictures with the Santa Claus, and it was crowded as well. It was too crowded, so we were there for I guess 20 or 30 minutes and we left and we headed back towards our home. It was really a nice Christmas I spent this year. All my mind was thinking about my comfort TV series, so I did my skincare, prepped the bed and lit up this candle which I bought, and yeah, put up the show. And it was really a good night. How did you guys spend your Christmas? Do leave your comments in the comment section below. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy and live gorgeously.